Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be doing some MDF edges, and we're going to actually be painting them and testing edges with different products. We're going to be using filler on the edges. We're also going to be using wood glue, and we're going to go with standard. So this is just a view of the three blanks. As you can see, the standard MDF, it frays out more, it's quite fluffy. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to sand them, we're going to edge them with a router, and we're going to see what sort of finish we can get on this MDF. Right, we've now sanded 120 grit on the top and the sides, and here's the result. So as you can see now, the standard MDF still looks frayed, but it's a bit better, and that's what the moisture resistant is looking like. So we're going to hit them now with a 280, which I have got here. We're going to do a 280 grit, and then we're going to see what they look like after that. So I'm going to hand sand a 120 grit on the roundovers now, and then we'll go ahead with a 280 with the same pad and get all these roundovers done. So everything's up to 280 grit, and then we can go ahead and start painting these. Right, so this standard piece of MDF, we're going to do a wood glue side, a standard side, and a fillered side, just to see what the differences are. The other piece of moisture resistance is going to have 2 wood glues and 2 fillered sides. And the final piece is going to just have all standard, nothing done to it, nothing whatsoever. And we will see what the difference is after we've done this. So I'm just going to get a little bit of wood glue out of my massive tub here that I've got. I'm just going to dip my fingers in there and put the wood glue on the edges that I have marked. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. So as we've got the camera set, I'm going to go ahead now and sand these without dust extraction, because I'm going to get this glue sticky and hopefully push it into all of the little tiny holes in the MDF. Right, so after applying the wood glue and then sanding it off, I've left a bit on the underside, but there, the moisture resistant doesn't feel any different. Alright, we haven't filled that yet and we haven't done that. But I am feeling a slight difference when feeling it. That's the wood glue side. It does feel like it's filled in some of the pores. Right, we've now applied a light coat of primer to the MDF blanks. A little bit awkward because these are small. There's some bits I got to sand off on the next coat. I don't think I've done very well with our first one, but here's the difference in them. So we're just going to go on to the side now. I have got some fingerprints on here. I am going to make sure these are looking really good for you at the end of the video, so don't panic. So let me just show you the sides of these, and that's what we're looking like after first coat. Right, so this is where we're at. We've got the moisture resistant MDF here, which we haven't filled yet. Some tiny little marks on there. Oddly, we got the standard MDF. That's looking pretty good now with a 280 grit sanding. And then we got the moisture. But you can see the moisture resistant MDF does look a bit better on camera. These are feeling nice and smooth. So I'm going to go ahead now, fill these in with the filler in, and then we're going to go ahead and apply a second coat of undercoat. Go ahead with the filler in now. So So we're just about to sand the filler off the side of here now and just flatten everything. So we're just applying another coat of undercoat. So I like to put a little bit on the top first. These are so small, mine, they're not really awkward to do. And it's starting to get dark in here now, even though we got the lights on. Right guys, it's the next morning. I put a coat of paint on here. We use the top coat. I use this Dulux. It's a pre-mixed one. It's a putty. I've used it in the house. It's a lovely colour. But we've come in this morning and the edges on these are looking absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the difference now. We got the moisture. So this is after one top coat of paint. So have a look. That's the moisture resistant. There's the top of it, the round over. This is the standard MDF now. As you can see, this is a close-up, mind. They are silky smooth. And here's the moisture resistant there. I'd say the moisture resistant looks, on a close-up on the camera, looks a smoother finish. But when feeling this standard, it feels absolutely fabulous. So you will be shocked if you put the prep work in on the sanding. I've done a little bit of sanding on the top, so we had the odd little bump because I'm trying to make them half decent for this video for you. So I'm going to put a final coat of paint on here and I will give you my verdict. So here we are. These are the final results on our MDF. Now, look at these. These are pristine edges. Got a tiny bit of paint there, but they are absolutely perfect. So let me just zoom in on the camera so you can see tidy. And these are the edges that we have completed. Now, we did filler some, we did sand, we did wood glue. I didn't see a lot of difference. I did see a little bit of difference on the fillering, but these feel silky smooth. It does look a better finish on the moisture resistant, but this is a close-up camera. I'm looking at this from standing up and looking down at these doors, and they do look absolutely pristine. Now, if we put the prep work in, as we know, we do get good results on MDF. I'll just show you from the top. I hope you can see this tidy. So here's a little view of the top of the doors, and we will just pan around to the front. But as you can see, these are in pristine condition. They look absolutely fabulous. They've got a lovely edge on them. There's no big holes in there. There's none of the roughness of the MDF where it looks all frayed and horrible, because MDF can be a right pain to finish. But these have come up quite nice. Here's the sides just so you can see. And here's the other side. Now this is the standard look. See, here's the standard MDF. And it's looking absolutely perfect. So that's the finish we get, everyone.